How's it going, everybody? Hope you guys are having an amazing day today. Today, guys, we are heading up in the woods to see if we can find us a squirrel. I got the 22 with me, so today should be fun. 22 is my favorite squirrel hunting around. Let's see if we can make some shake. Let's see if we can find us a squirrel. It's a little colder than I expected. Spot 1 didn't have no signs of life. On to spot 2. I don't know where they went. Oh, there they are. I see them. I didn't miss that time. All right, I think we got one down. I ran right over here. Oh shit! Oh. All right, guys. There's our squirrel. It's down. Squirrel number 1 is down. Hopefully, I can find 2 more. There's one in this old tree right here. That's new. All right, guys, squirrel number 2. Let's go. Well, haven't seen much of anything since the last squirrel. I definitely expect to see a squirrel over here somewhere. This is a smart squirrel. There it is. Finally. All right, guys, squirrel number 3 is down. We have got our limit now. I'm gonna start making our way back. I'm kind of lost and I got about 20 minutes of daylight left. But with that being said, I see you guys when I get back to the house. How's it going, everybody? We've made it back home with our squirrels. I'm gonna show you guys how to clean these up real fast. One of the easiest ways to clean them, what you wanna do, take your squirrel, lay it flat like that, make a cut right across the back of it. Once you get a good cut across the back of the squirrel, what you wanna do is take your 2 fingers, put them in there like this, and just pull apart. And once you get it right there to the head, just cut this off right here. Start right there, barely put the tip of the knife in, and just cut up towards the sternum. Everything in there, we'll throw away, you don't need any of that. These feet, with this, and wash it out really good. I take this squirrel, I like to soak it in salt water overnight. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. How's it going, everybody? I hope you guys are doing good. It's been about 24 hours. They've been soaking in salt water. So I got my squirrels here. They're already washed off and everything. And what we're making today, guys, is squirrel and dumpling. Easiest thing to make. These are all the ingredients you need. Whatever this stuff is called. You can use chicken stock instead. I just don't have any, so I'm gonna use this for a substitute. You can get any type of biscuits. These are just the ones I prefer. But with that being said, what we're gonna do now is take our squirrel, cut it up in quarters, and let it boil for about an hour. Make sure you add your bouillon, salt, and pepper to the water, and that's all you'll do. So what you wanna do next is pull your squirrel out, give it a chance to cool down, and take your squirrel and just start shredding it apart. You wanna take your biscuits. That's how you pop them open. Now, you wanna take these biscuits like this, and you just rip off a little piece. roll it around in your flour, and just drop it in there. But give these a chance to cook first because you don't want them to be raw in the middle. Add the squirrel back in it, and I'm just gonna mix this all together. What I just did is I let it simmer a little bit, and what simmering does is help it thicken up a little. After about 10 minutes or so, it's ready to eat. That's what we're left with. Got plenty of squirrel in there, got my dumplings in there. And one secret ingredient I always like to use with almost everything I eat. A couple drops of this make a big difference. This looks amazing. If you guys have never had this, you are missing out. I tell you, this is like one of the easiest meals to make and like one of the best tasting. That's all I got for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Till next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Kamokid out. Peace.